What you see right here is basically a little function which I helped develop with the help of actually Stack Overflow, and of course modified the code, and basically defines the greatest common factor. Sometimes we call it the greatest common denominator. But you see right here is basically a primary engine, which is Euclidean algorithm. Let's give it a shot real fast just to see how it works. We'll just use this right here. We'll go 1, 2, 5. All right, and that's 12, and that is 8. And then we have 95, and then we have 3, if it pops up here, for x, and then 12 for y, writing a little slow, and there you have it. That right there is your answer, 5x3, y4, as far as your greatest common factor. And what I'll do here is I'll expand the code so we do an unlimited number of polynomials in a little bit. Catch you in a bit. Bye.